Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Is Ada with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make effective and simple pimples soap. Okay, so if you have oily skin, this video is for you. So here we have a base soap. This is a bathing soap. You can use Dove, you can use Lux, okay, any bathing tablet soap you have, we do. And next, as you guys can see, Grate the soap. So make sure that the grater you are using is mainly for soap and not for grating edible things. Please take note. So have a separate grater for your soap. So transfer to a bowl and make sure the bowl or plate you're using is only used for making soap. So here is a grated soap. Set that aside. Next, here we have lemon. Cut the lemon. And squeeze to get the juice. The next ingredient we have is orange. Cut the orange. Squeeze to get the juice. So pour the orange and the lemon juice into the grated soap. And here we have the orange and the lemon juice in the grated soap. We are going to leave this for 24 hours. Leave it for 24 hours. So this is the soap after 24 hours. If you guys are seeing this, the next thing I'm going to do is to mix the soap. As you guys can see, the soap is very soft. So as you mix very well, it becomes creamy. Add cinnamon powder and mix very well. add cloves powder. Mix very well. Our soap is looking very creamy. Next, scoop into a clean container. So guys, here is our face soap. So this is basically a face soap. It's a face soap, okay, for those that have oily skin and have pimples on their faces, okay. So if you have pimples on your face, this soap is very effective soap you're going to use, okay. You're going to apply this soap and leave it on your face for 30 minutes before washing it off, okay. And you can use it up to like 2 to 3 times in a day. So if you have, oily face or pimples face, this soap will clear every pimples on your face. It will dry up every pimples on your face. The measurement is in the description below, so make sure you check out the measurement for this soap. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.